The future of transportation is already arriving.
And every electric vehicle depends on one critical resource: a resource hidden inside every battery pack. A metal that stores enormous amounts of energy. Its name is lithium.
And modern civilization depends on it more than ever.
Much of the world's lithium lies hidden beneath remote deserts.
Here, nature has stored lithium for millions of years.
Scientists search carefully for the richest deposits. Exploration reveals the hidden value below.
Every discovery helps shape the future supply chain.
The next step is extracting the resource itself. This is where lithium's journey truly begins. Machines the size of buildings move continuously. Every load carries valuable material toward processing. The raw ore begins its transformation. Massive machines prepare the ore for refining. And now, the real transformation begins.